Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To wake up.
Vakna.
To get up.
Gå upp.
To brush teeth.
Borsta tänderna.
To wash face.
Tvätta ansiktet.
To have breakfast.
Äta frukost.
To take a shower.
Duscha.
To go to work.
Gå till jobbet.
To go to school.
Gå till skolan.
To study.
Studera.
To work.
Arbeta.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.